Guys, gagawa tayo ng pink salmon in can. So, ang kailangan natin ay, of course, pink salmon. Durugin natin mamaya. Oil, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, lemon, slightly beaten egg, onions. Nilagyan ko na rin ng garlic, coriander. So, ito ang aming supper. Ito na yung ating mixture, guys. Gagawa lang tayo ng patties. Tapos, i-prito na natin. So, ito na siya, guys. Pinrito ko na siya. Ito na yung ating finished product. I make 6 patties. Try. How's the taste?